Ever cloned a repo and had no idea what had changed? Git log is your answer. Git log is the command you run to see the complete commit history of your repository. Every time a developer commits changes, that snapshot is recorded, and Git log surfaces all of them. For each commit, you will see 4 critical pieces of information: the commit hash, a unique 40-character fingerprint for that snapshot, the author's name and email, the timestamp of when it was committed, and the commit message summarizing what changed. Here is something interviewers love to test. Git log lists commits in reverse chronological order, meaning the newest commit appears at the top and the oldest at the bottom. This design makes sense. You almost always want to see what changed most recently, not dig all the way back to the initial commit. 2 things to know about scope and power. By default, Git log only shows commits from your current branch, not all branches. To see every branch's history, pass the $. Flag. Beyond that, Git log has powerful filtering. Use .oneline for a compact one-line summary per compact to visualize the branching structure, or filter by .author, date range, or even a specific file path. Git log shows you commit history in reverse chronological order with hash author, date, and message per commit. Follow for more Git commands explained. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.